everyone, I'm Diette and welcome back to Turtle Creativity. Today we're going to class Crochet 101. What will we learn today? Well, I'm going to teach you how to do the corner to corner crochet. Now, I love this stitch because this is something that will give you straight edges all the time. So whether you're making a washcloth, a baby blanket, a throw, or even a scarf, if you want nice straight edges, nice even corners, then this is the stitch for you. Grab your hook, grab your yarn. Class is in session. Let's get crocheting. Okay, class, this is the example of our corner to corner crochet stitch. I truly love this stitch because, as you can see, my edges are nice and straight. So the yarn that we're going to use for this example will be a thicker, chunkier yarn. Now, you can use whatever yarn that you have to create your project. Putting my example aside, grab your hook and grab your yarn and let's get started. We're going to start off with a slip knot onto our hook and we're going to chain up 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now we're going to count down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In that 4th chain, we're going to double crochet into it. 1. And the remaining 2, we're going to go ahead and double crochet in that. So 2 and 3. Now that we've come to the end, you will see our first block that has been created. Let's chain up 6 times again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, let's count down 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double crochet in that chain space and in the remaining 2. Now, once you have that, you're going to kind of twist your work to where your chain space that you created is here, and you're going to insert your hook into this space and do a slip stitch. Now let's chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. Now into this space you're going to put 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And what is started to be created is a step. Let's continue on with a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double crochet in the next 3 chain spaces. So that's 1, 2, 3. Twisting up your work. And again, this space here that we did with the chaining of the 3, you're going to put your hook inside there, pull through, and do a slip stitch. chain up 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet 3 times into that space. 1, 2, 3. Putting your work together, slip stitch again in the next space and chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Now let's check our work. Now, what you will see is a pattern of stair steps that is being created. Our nice straight edges are nice and straight, and our work as it increases is creating this stair step effect. Let's continue on for the next row. Chain up 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In that fourth space, you're going to double crochet 1, and the next one, you're putting a double crochet. And then one more time. Now, you're going to go ahead and twist your work up, putting your hook in this space and doing a slip stitch. Chain up 3, 1, 2, 3. Double crochet 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Moving over, slip stitch in. 1, 2, 3, chain up, and 3 double crochets again. 2, 3, connecting over, slip stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Now let's look at what we have. All right. Now this pattern, you're going to go ahead and continue to repeat until you get the length of your blanket or your project or your throw or whatever you're creating until you get your length. Once you get the desired size, it will be time for you to decrease. So let me show you how to do that now. Now, when we are increasing our corner to corner, you're chaining up. When we don't need to increase anymore, you're going to go ahead and chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into this chain space. Now, double crochet 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Coming over, slip stitch, 1, 2, 3. 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. Coming over, slip stitch over, chain up 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, double crochet, 1, 2, 3. All right. Now, let's go ahead and chain 1, 2, 3. We're decreasing, so we're going to go ahead and slip stitch straight into our chain space here. Now, 1, 2, 3, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. Then go ahead and connect it here. 1, 2, 3. 3 double crochets, 2, 3, slip stitch over, 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, to the end, and we're going to do 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and that goes straight, straight in here. Now let's take a check of our work. Just smooth that out. You'll notice that our edges are straight and our project is beginning to close up. So let's continue to finish. Alrighty. So we're going to pull these two together, slip stitch here, chain up, 1, 2, 3, double crochet, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch here, chain up 3, 3 double crochets here, 2, 3, slip stitch here, all right, let's go ahead and do our 1, 2, 3, just a little bit more to close off the project. chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet 3 times, slip stitch, double crochet, chain 3, 2, 3, one, 2, 3, double crochet 3 times, oh, nope, take that one out. And when that happens, I'm glad I did that because I wanted you to see that if you miscounted, you can easily take it out. We were at the end and that extra row was not needed. So what did I do to fix it? I just easily took it out. No worries. Slip stitch here. You're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch here. All right, so as you can see, we have 1 square portion left. All right, so let's go ahead and begin. 1, 2, 3, double crochet, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, I'm just going to grab my scissors. And here is the way that I do my corner to corner crochet. Now, there are many different methods out there, but this is one way that you can do the corner to corner. Let me know in the comments below of how this worked for you. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!